Hello guys, welcome to this quick Plasticity 3D design practice. And yeah, we will just create like the shape here. And yeah, I think this is very interesting and I just wanted to show you how to do it. So yeah, I did it already. And yeah, first of all, here you have to import like this image plane and click on it, press M and yeah, make the transparency low and place it to the middle. So here we will work like with surfaces and curves. And so this is very cool. So first of all, I will create in the middle a circle. And yeah, that image is not completely straight, so it won't be perfect. But right click, I press O to create one more circle here on the outside. Let's do it here. And also one more circle. So we have something like that. And now let's create like this outer shape. So I will go here from the middle to here approximately. And go here to the front again. So to the middle and a bit bigger. So here to the middle, drag it out somewhere here and just connect it to our circle. And right click confirm. I will just select this point and drag it a bit to the left, right click. And now I can just give it a bevel with B. And now Alt X and X to bring it to the other side, J to combine it. Now I want to cut like this with T. So I just cut that out and I connect that and that, press J to join that. And now I have to select those 2 points, press B to bevel them, and let's give them like a little fillet. So this is fine for now. Let's first of all create a new circle here in the inside. So yeah, something like that. And now let's try if we can offset this curve. And so now let's try to take this curve and offset. Oh yeah, cool. So that works, beginning, end. Yeah, like here somewhere to the curve. Right click. So now let's try to trim those pieces away because we have already the circle here and we don't need this. And let's go to points mode and press 1. And yeah, so right click and just take this point and drag it to this curve. And also the same here. So G and bring it here. So that should work. Right click, select this curve and this curve, press J to join it. Now we can just offset it and create like this middle thing here. And what I want to do is I will select those points here and bring them up a little bit. Right click and also just scale them here a little bit. And yeah, I think I can't make the bevel here bigger, but okay, this is okay for me. And fine. So now we have like all of our curves. And now you see like this. So basically this side is like on the outside and then it goes like here to the inside. And then we have like this bevels here on the inside. So let's do that. So first of all, let's select this face here and just drag it outwards and press tab. So it's on both sides the same length, right click. And yeah, so now what we can do, okay, actually we can bring this curve, press G and drag it to this edge. So control click and this edge. Right click and also the same here with this curve, press G and drag it here to this edge, right click. And we will use this curve and this curve in the middle to loft it, but we don't need this curve here in the middle anymore. So press H. And now what we can do is we will just select this curve and press Alt Z so you can see through and select through. So those 2 curves, press L and we lofted it. So we can deselect those 2 curves here with H and that looks fine. And we will mirror it in a second over. And also the same here. So this curve and this curve, this curve and this curve, press L to loft it, right click, select again those curves. We don't need them, they're distracting us. And press Alt Z. And now select with the object mode this piece and this piece. Press Alt X to mirror it over on the other side. Right click to confirm. Press J. So we have one body. And now you should be able to connect like this surface here with this main body with J. But it doesn't work out, and that freaked me out before the tutorial, and I couldn't figure out why. But it's because if you select those two bodies and press H to hide it, we have here in the inside faces and we have to delete them. Only then we can join those curves. So just go here, face mode, select this, press Shift X to delete it. You see now it's like a hull. And okay, so also this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, press Shift while selecting, and again Shift X. And now we can bring our sheets back. And now with object mode, we can select again this one and press J. Perfect, it's connected. And now we can select all of those bodies and press J. And now we have one beautiful body, and that's basically it. So now we can give it here. Let's select that edge and give it like a nice fillet. So something like that should be fine. And also here and here, here and here, and also here on the outside and here on the outside, we will give like a very sharp fillet. So yeah, let's have a look. So let's have a look, right click, and cool. So now let's try to export it. So export, save as, OBJ, yeah, like the date, design practice 01, and save it. And yeah, here we have density on the maximum. And we also, yeah, want maybe here a little bit more details. So let's drag that a little bit down. So yeah, that looks fine, like a lot of detail. And yeah, everything looks clean. So yeah, we can save it. And that's it. So yeah, that's it. If you liked it, like and subscribe so you don't miss the other practices and tutorials. And see you in the next one.